In this video, we'll be showing you how to update your site's basic settings. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin and then Settings. Here, you will find a number of tabs that segregate your settings into areas. First is the Basic Details tab. The Basic Details tab is where you can edit details of your organisation, including address, contact details, as well as any social media settings. The default page is the page which customers will land on when accessing your site and is set up to shop by default. There are then various other options that allow you to decide if you'd like to have your community register on your site in order to be able to view it, decide whether customers require approval or not. This means that when someone new registers on your site, they cannot do anything until you, the administrator, approves them. Choose if you'd like to ask for name and class on registration, which is purely used for validation purposes. Choose if you'd like to merge the events and product group pages into one. And you can also enable or disable guest checkout. Your site's data retention settings are set to 2 years by default, but you can change this as appropriate. You can also include some information about what your organisation does in the About Us field, which is then displayed in the About Us page of your website. And finally, you can see the QR code for your site, which can be shared with your community. Don't forget to click the Update button at the bottom of the page when you make any amends. And that's it, you have now successfully updated your basic details settings. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.